not to put too much strain on the cables, you need to remove some material here. I think this should be at least into the C in the cam word, which is not that much, but it will help save your cables and prevent it from giving too much gas. Otherwise I won't be able to close the throttle. To show you how tight this is when it's completely screwed in, as much as slack as possible. Then just by adding some tension, it becomes almost solid. So this is what my skid plate looked like after one ride off-road. And it was just some large stones, just no boulders or anything. This is the new skid plate. I will try to mount here. Now I was expecting the alignment to be a bit off, but the front and rear screws actually lined up, and these ones are a bit adjustable, and I think it will come on nicely this time. This mesh is not original. I just added it instead of the black metal that was supposed to be there instead. And there it is. I would say it is a bit tight under here. The catalyst is was touching the skid plate. At least you get good enough coverage back here. This was gonna be a budget bike, but it's really hard to keep your fingers off when there's so much aftermarket accessories. So now I'm doing the tail tidy as well. Coming along nicely.